Tap it harder. It's got to start the truck. There you go. Good job. Good job. Keep going, you're okay. Strike a match. Just try to like drag across it real quick. There you go. A lot smaller. There you go. Nice job. Give me a thumbs up. So I had the privilege to work with my daughter today on learning how to weld. She's getting ready for an industrial tech class that she wanted to have a little insight before she walked in the door. Kind of walking in with a little bit of confidence to at least have an idea what she's doing. That way she didn't have to learn on the fly in class. But when you're learning with all your friends and you only have one teacher, it can be hard. So I wanted to give her the opportunity to have a little bit of knowledge prior to walking in the door. So today we experimented a little bit with wire welding and stick welding. So here's what we did today. And stop, there you go. Dude!
Not a very straight line, but it's good.
That was good. Okay, now get your wire brush out. Now get your wire brush out. Not bad, darling.
That's kind of good.
Not bad. That's your first solo weld. Let's see the smile. Let's see the thumbs up. Tap it. Tap it more straight down. There you go. There you go. Slow down. Slow down. Heck yeah.
To weld into my other weld.
Heck yeah. Nice job.
I'm trying to avoid going into that one, buddy.
You're okay.
Oh, wait,
Look good. Yep, just set her down. Get a little bit right there. There you go. As wire brush the crap out of it. Really push into it. It's easier if you go with it, because then you can really push into it hard. There you go. Nice job. Heck yeah, we just need to slow down, that's all. Like, as much of the rod you used here, you would want that to be probably no longer than that. So that just tells you you're going really, 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 really fast.
Okay.
Alright, so Olivia's first thing she welded.
Are you guys trying to hit it off?
Yep.
It's definitely coming off.
Okay, record.
I'm being honest, it's definitely coming off.
Okay, are you ready?
Yep.
Nope.
You're not even hitting it hard.
Well, I can't hold it and hit it. All right, ready?
Yep.
Now, if I go the other way, because it's not welded on the other side,
Oh.
it will break off.
Yeah.
Because this side's not welded. Or not. Oh, there we go.
Sorry.
You're okay.
Just trying to put my hand away from it. It's not focusing. There you go. My poopy welds.
I think it's okay. You're learning. Okay.
Take a look at the base.
Hey,
God.
get closer. Not bad, darling.
All my projects. Well, those are not mine.
Not bad. Okay. So we spent the afternoon welding. What do you think?
I like it.
Which one did you like better? Because we did the wire welding and then we did the stick.
Wire,
And why do you like the wire better?
it's easy because I just sit there and just feed the wire out,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't have to sit there and keep going forward or like keep going closer and closer.
Because the stick is getting shorter. Yeah. You don't like that part?
No, and then also, it's also hard to do because I have to like strike it to get it. Like,
It's hard to start.
yeah.
Yeah, that's my least favorite part too.
But this one is easy. I can just sit there and just.
You want to show your wire welds?
Sure.
Okay. So these are the beads that we started with. So there's a couple tack welds. And this is flux core we're doing. So it's not gas shielded. And then we were adjusting the settings because these were a bit hot. And this was our first real weld with the flux core. And then I gave her a couple of fillets to do. And those actually turned out pretty decent. You want to flip it over? I made a couple more that we did. Not bad, darling. What is something that you think you could do better next time you weld?
Slow down and then like stay closer.
Yep, like a little more steady, a little slower. It feels like a lot's going on at the same time, doesn't it? So it's a lot, like really hard to pay attention to everything.
And then not be scared at first.
Yeah. It's, I don't know, it's
New.
it's new, it's hot, it's sparkly, it's all kinds of stuff going on. But all in all, did you enjoy it?
Yes.
For those of you that are curious in this video, the stick welding we're doing is going to be my Aaron Arc 300. It is PTO driven off my truck. And so we just did power negative, stinger on the positive, and about 80, 90 amps. And that was on like 3/16 steel. So that's what we did for laying the beads down with that. Probably a little light, but I was just trying to make it kind of easy for her. Didn't record it because there was a lot of explaining, but we did some flux core wire welding. These are actually her welds. It wasn't too bad. With a lot of new welders, speed is a problem. They feel like they have to go really fast. Here's her first few that she did. And these are like the last 2 or 3 that she did. Obviously getting a lot better. You can see a little high on the wall. Maybe not exactly down in the root. That last one's actually not too bad. Still a little high on the wall. But anyways, so there's some wire welding we did. So yeah, this is my titanium. It's one of the Harbor Freight little buzz boxes. This thing is super lightweight, super easy. I use that at work occasionally for all weather. Flux core is amazing for being able to do stuff not in ideal conditions. And plus you don't have to carry a bottle of gas with you.